Fact 1. According to Guinness World Records, Cream Puff, the oldest cat ever recorded, lived to be 38 years and 3 days old. This is much greater than the average lifespan of cats. Fact 2. Veterinary researchers in Journal of Feline Medicine confirmed that no two cats have the same nose pattern, making it a potential biometric ID method. Fact 3. A 2023 study in the animals found that cats use micro-movements in their tails to signal other cats. Fact 4. The average cat sleeps 12 to 16 hours daily, conserving energy for short bursts of intense hunting. Fact 5. While dogs have about 10 vocal sounds, cats can produce up to 100 sounds, including chirps, trills, and even silent. Fact 6. Cats move both right legs first, then both left legs. This walking style of cats is shared only by camels and giraffes. Many other animals alternate legs. Fact 7. Cats show jealousy-like behaviors when their owners pay attention to other pets. So, which fact do you like the most?